David Shannon. David smells. A Diaper David book. David has 5 senses. Touch, hear, see, taste, smell. Touch. Leave him alone, David. Taste. Don't eat that. Smell. Are you stinky, David? Hear. David, that's too loud. See. Peekaboo, Davy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more David Shannon stories, check out my David Shannon playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching me today and your continued support, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.